Hello and welcome back to Jillies Nails, where I have been trying to record this for 3 days for you, and I can't because fireworks. So if you hear cracks and booms in the background, it's still happening in my neighborhood. Sorry. We're doing the July Mani by Me box today. I hate that manicure. That's not cute. I don't think it's cute. I don't like it. I was very excited for the inspiration this month, and yikes. On the other hand, on the back of the card, there is a very, very detailed bit of instructions on how to use the pixie dust that is included in here. And I don't mean to be ugly to the artist who created that. That is just really not my style, not my cup of tea, and not something I would ever wear. I don't like it. This pixie dust, it's Satan, and you'll see why later. I'll show you why. It is very pretty for being Satan, though. So these plates. Okay, I'm just going to be 100% honest on everything because you guys already know how much I love Maniology. I am so bored with these. I'm so uninspired by these. I did manage to squeak out 3 manicures for you, and 2 of them I really like. This one, not so much, but I want you to see why I don't care for it and what I'm trying to do when I review these boxes. Anything that I'm pointing at is something that I do think is cute and useful on the plates. Like, they're not bad plates. I will say this. I do not think that they are for beginners. There are very few images in there that are not, that are beginner friendly, in my opinion. Most of it's reverse stamping. I consider that an advanced technique. There's a few, that are for beginners, but overall, yikes. Like, it's a very advanced box. It's going to take a lot of work to do any manicure with that box. Now, this first polish color Buttercup I used as my base. This was a 2-coater. It's a stamping polish. It was a 2-coater. That's all I'm saying. It should be obvious what I'm implying. I think the color's pretty. It's fine. It's cute. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just a 2-coater stamping polish. So do with that what you want. I'm going to go ahead and put some striping tape on 2 of my fingers. Striping tape is also Satan, so maybe I'll just call this whole thing the Unicorn Satan manicure. No, because somebody will think I like worship Satan or something, which I do not, for the record. With all the drama going on these days, I feel like I need to make that clear. These are the little pixie dust flakes. They have a pink to green kind of brown shift to them. They're very similar to a polish I talked about a while back that I said I hated. The most expensive polish I ever bought was Starly. Very similar colors. So pretty in the pot. Gets freaking everywhere. Everywhere. So what I'm doing here is I put just a bit of quick dry top coat in between these striping tapes so that I can pull them off, and it's going to leave a stripe of this pretty flaky stuff down my nails, right? Down my nails and on my arm and on my iPhone case. And then I actually blue on my finger and apparently aimed it in the same direction as the pot. So friggin' green, purple, brown flaky things are all over my nail room. Every time I touch something the whole rest of the night, I got flakies on me. It's worse than glitter. Oh my gosh. It's awful. I did get some outside of the edges there, and what I did for that actually was let it dry for a while because I put a top coat over that base yellow butter coat. I was able to take a cuticle stick and very gently scrape away the stuff that got outside most of the lines. I caught most of them. And then I'm using the Maniology No Smudge top coat to go on top. Recommendations for flakies, foils, that kind of stuff is to use a water-based top coat on it. It doesn't take much. You only need to cover that particular part, and then you can go in with a regular top coat over it. Now, I picked this middle image. What I was trying to do with this box is can I use the whole box and make a design in one go? Can I sit down, open this box, and make a design with it? Yes. Do I love it? Not so much. It's not that there's inherently anything wrong with any of the products. The purple stamped. You know, the yellow's fine. I mean, for 2 coats for stamping polish, okay, let's be real, that's not fine. I don't see how that's going to look great over anything else, and I am going to test it because that's funky. But I hated this purple and yellow combo together. So, you know, like when I get a box, I want to be able to make stuff together with what's in it. It should all be themed together. And either I'm just not seeing it artistically, or I just don't like that aesthetic, because something's not working for me there. The polish is stamped fine. Because, again, another reason why I would say this is a very advanced plate, those lines on there are super thin. So you have to stamp really fast. And you can see my last video to learn how to stamp really quick. Let me wrap it up bluntly. The box is fine. Do I like it together? No. It's my least favorite box of the year. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time here today. Let me know what you think down below. Bye-bye.